Robotic puppy, Chip. Meet Chip, the robotic puppy designed to bring fun and interactivity into your home. What makes Chip special is the unique wheel design on its paws, allowing it to move easily across various surfaces, whether it's smooth tile or soft carpet. Inside, Chip is packed with smart tech. It uses sensors like gyroscopes, accelerometers, infrared, and touch detectors to understand its surroundings. These sensors help it see, respond to gestures, and even react when you pet it. While Chip doesn't have voice recognition, it comes with a smart bracelet that acts like a remote control. This lets Chip recognize its owner, follow commands like come here, sit, lie down, and even dance. There's also a playful guard mode, where Chip pretends to bark and act tough, though it's all in good fun. Although Chip can't truly replace a real dog, it makes a great high-tech toy, maybe even for your actual pet. While it's not a Terminator-style machine, Chip shows just how far robotics has come in being both smart and entertaining. Meet LOVOT, a robot designed to warm your heart with its adorable appearance and loving personality. Created by the Japanese company Groovex, every part of LOVOT was made to be cute and comforting. But it's more than just a pretty face. The real purpose behind LOVOT is to help people who feel lonely, isolated, or overwhelmed. Its name comes from a blend of love and robot, and that's exactly what it offers: affection and companionship. Meet Luna the pet bot, a lovable little robot that's capturing hearts and changing what it means to have a smart companion at home. With big, expressive digital eyes, a playful attitude, and the ability to zoom around on 4 smooth wheels, Luna is more than just a gadget. She feels like part of the family. Luna can recognize your face, respond to your voice, follow hand gestures, and even play games with you. This is all possible thanks to her high-tech 3D T2F and RGB cameras that help her see and understand the world around her. Inside, she's powered by a quad-core processor and a high-speed AI engine, the same kind of tech that makes smartphones smart. Only here it helps Luna act more naturally and respond like a real companion. She even has ChatGPT integration, which means she can hold simple conversations and learn over time. Want her to fetch a ball? She's got it. Need a buddy to explore the house or entertain the kids? She's up for it. And if you've got a curious child, Luna can even help teach them the basics of coding and robotics in a fun, interactive way. But Luna isn't just smart, she's emotionally engaging. Her lifelike reactions, animations, and behavior create a bond that feels genuine. Whether she's following you around the house or reacting when you call her name, it's easy to forget she's a robot. Luna combines advanced tech with a fun-loving personality, making her perfect for kids, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a friendly robotic companion that actually connects with you. So, if you're looking for something that goes beyond the usual smart toy, something interactive, emotional, and a little futuristic, Luna might just be what you're looking for. She's not just a robot. She's a new kind of friend. Seagull and dragonfly. Imagine tiny robots that fly just like real birds and insects. That's exactly what engineers created with their robotic seagull and robotic dragonfly. The robotic seagull was developed back in 2012, designed to mimic the natural flight of its living counterpart. Later, they introduced a robotic dragonfly that can hover and stay perfectly still in the air, matching the incredible agility of a real dragonfly. What makes the dragonfly even more amazing is that every part was made using 3D printing technology, allowing for precise and lightweight construction. Even better, you can control this tiny flying robot directly from your smartphone. These innovations aren't just cool gadgets, they represent important steps in advancing drone technology. While the company could use these developments to compete in the drone market, that's not their main goal. Instead, their focus is on perfecting the art of flight and hovering, studying how these robots can move smoothly and efficiently through the air, just like the natural creatures they imitate. By combining advanced materials, smart design, and digital controls, these robotic seagulls and dragonflies are opening up new possibilities in robotics and aerial technology. They show us how nature can inspire innovation, leading to drones that are more agile, energy efficient, and capable than ever before. Robot fish. Meet the robot fish, a smart underwater robot designed to help monitor and protect our water environments. Instead of manually collecting water samples and sending them to a lab, this fish-shaped robot swims through the water, testing its quality in real time. It's designed to detect pollution levels, identify harmful substances, and even help locate the source of contamination. This makes it a valuable tool for environmental researchers and city officials trying to keep waterways clean. Tests for the robot fish were carried out in the port of Gijón, Spain, where it was used to check how accurately it could detect pollution in a busy harbor. The results helped show how effective the robot can be at monitoring water quality on the spot, without needing expensive and time-consuming lab work. With its natural swimming motion and advanced sensors, the robot fish blends into aquatic environments while doing important environmental work, proving that smart technology can also be gentle on nature. Robot spider and underwater snake, high-tech marvels. Let's start with the robot spider. This futuristic creation was built using a 3D printer and features a realistic spider-like design. Each of its legs is powered by 3 servo motors, allowing it to move with surprising precision. The entire system is controlled through a user-friendly control panel, letting you direct its flexible, lifelike movements with ease. Its design isn't just cool, it's functional, too. Engineers created it to demonstrate how flexible robotics can mimic nature for smooth and coordinated movement. It even made an appearance in an episode of Mythbusters, turning heads with its innovative design. Now meet the underwater robot snake, a robotic marvel built for deep-sea tasks. This mechanical snake is designed to handle inspection, maintenance, and repair work on the seabed, especially around oil platforms. Unlike bulky underwater vehicles, this snake robot is slim and agile, able to slip into tight spaces where traditional machines simply can't go. It offers a cost-effective alternative to expensive submersibles, making underwater work safer and more efficient. These 2 robots, one land-based and one deep-sea, show just how far robotics has come, blending technology with nature-inspired design to tackle real-world challenges. Meet Dilly, a self-driving delivery robot created by War Brothers, the team behind South Korea's popular food delivery app, Baemin. Dilly is built to bring your food straight to you without a driver. It can navigate sidewalks, avoid obstacles, and even ride elevators to get to your door. Dilly is packed with smart sensors, including lidar, cameras, and ultrasonic detectors, which help it safely move through busy environments. It can recognize traffic lights, read grid maps, and figure out the best route on its own. Right now, Dilly is still in testing and being used in a few pilot programs across South Korea. But if it takes off, it could totally change how we get our food, making deliveries quicker, safer, and more reliable. The future of food delivery might not include a driver at all, just a little robot like Dilly, rolling up with your meal. Meet Gomer, a smart little companion robot designed to make life easier at home. Built by GLI Technologies in China, Gomer isn't just a gadget, it's meant to feel like part of the family. With its flexible robotic hand, Gomer can gently pick up and carry objects, even fragile ones like glass or eggs. It's also got a built-in camera that takes photos and videos you can instantly share online. Want to check in from afar? Just use your phone to see and hear what's happening around Gomer in real time. It even recognizes faces, greets people by name, and adds a friendly touch to your day. All of this for around $400. Introducing the GR2, a next-level humanoid robot from Fear Intelligence, revolutionizing healthcare, research, and education. With 44 degrees of freedom, it moves just like a human, walking, running, and even dancing effortlessly. Powered by AI, sensors, and machine learning, GR2 can recognize objects, understand speech, and adapt to its environment. Designed for rehabilitation and therapy, GR2 is also an excellent tool for robotics research and hands-on learning. Its highly customizable design lets developers and educators explore and innovate freely. Standing alongside top robots like Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Tesla's Optimus, the GR2 is pushing the limits of human-robot collaboration. More than just a machine, it's a glimpse into the future of robotics, combining intelligence, movement, and purpose in a single, powerful platform. Meet Ocean 1K, Stanford's incredible underwater robot that's changing how we explore the deep sea. Built with a human-like upper body and strong thrusters, it moves with amazing precision and can dive as deep as 1,000 meters. What makes Ocean 1K special? It has 3D vision and haptic feedback, which means the person controlling it can see and actually feel what's underwater in real time. That allows it to handle fragile objects, like ancient Roman artifacts, without causing any damage. From exploring shipwrecks in the Mediterranean to diving into the world's deepest pool in Dubai, Ocean 1K is on a mission. It's not just a robot, it's a robotic avatar that extends our reach into places we could never go ourselves. By combining advanced robotics with the human sense of touch, Ocean 1K is opening up new possibilities in deep-sea research, archaeology, and engineering. It's a powerful example of how technology can bring the human presence to the most unreachable parts of our planet. Levid robots are shaking up the delivery world. Unlike most delivery bots that still need people to load and unload packages, Levid handles everything by itself. It can lift and deliver boxes weighing up to 85 kilograms, making deliveries faster and easier. It glides smoothly over sidewalks, moving more like a small car than a robot. With a smart mix of GPS, lasers, and cameras, it can navigate streets, dodge obstacles, and find its way, all without human help. You might not spot a Levid robot in your neighborhood just yet. Researchers are still fine-tuning it for real-world action. But every day, it's getting closer to becoming part of our everyday lives. Levid robots are pushing the future of autonomous delivery forward. And soon, you might just see one rolling up with your next package. Next up is something pretty cool, Lumo. This isn't just any gadget. It's part robot buddy, part self-balancing scooter. Yep, you can actually ride it. But what makes Lumo really stand out is its smart features. It comes with a built-in camera and an auto-follow mode, so it can tag along behind you while you walk or ride. Perfect for capturing awesome videos or high-quality photos on the go. Exploring a city? Lumo follows smoothly and dodges obstacles like a pro. It also lets you be in 2 places at once. Just send Lumo into another room, and you can chat with your family, friends, or coworkers through its speaker and camera. It's like having your own lil robot assistant. At $1,800, it's not cheap, but for all the tech packed inside, it's a seriously fun and futuristic ride. Meet Mini Pupper, a small, open-source robot dog that makes advanced robotics fun and accessible for everyone. Inspired by the Stanford Pupper project, it runs on a Raspberry Pi 4 and supports both ROS and ROS 2, so you can dive into cool features like SLAM, navigation, and object tracking. With 12 degrees of freedom, it can move in lifelike ways, trotting, bounding, and more, making it a great hands-on tool for learning. Its compact design, customizable LCD face, and support for sensors like lidar make it perfect for hobbyists, students, and educators alike. Whether you want to explore AI, robotics, or just enjoy building something awesome, Mini Pupper is a fun and powerful way to get started in the world of quadruped robots. Meet Moxie, the robot buddy designed to help raise and teach your child in a fun, meaningful way. Moxie isn't just a device. It becomes your child's friend, talking with them, encouraging curiosity, and helping them learn new skills. Through interactive missions, kids can read stories, draw pictures, or even create sweet messages for their parents. Moxie checks in, asking how their day went, and helps build social confidence by encouraging conversations with other children. Parents can customize activities using a smartphone. For example, before a dental appointment, Moxie explains who dentists are and why they're helpful, easing nerves. After the visit, it follows up, offering comfort and support. With a focus on emotional growth, creativity, and friendship, Moxie turns everyday moments into learning opportunities. It's more than a toy, it's a thoughtful companion for your child's journey. Moxie will be available soon for $1,500. Developed by 1X Technologies, Neo Gamma is a next-generation home robot designed to blend effortlessly into everyday life. Wrapped in a soft, 3D printed nylon suit that moves like human skin, it feels natural and safe to have around. Thanks to its tendon-driven joints and quiet operation, Neo Gamma delivers smooth, lifelike movement while keeping noise to a minimum. Powered by advanced neural networks, Neo Gamma can predict your needs, walk with a natural, human-like stride, and even communicate using subtle body language, supported by a custom-built language model. Set for early home trials in 2025, Neo Gamma promises to redefine what home robotics can do, helping with daily tasks and fitting right into your routine. Expected to cost between $20,000 and $30,000, it's a bold step toward a future where robots are truly part of the family. Meet Pudu Bellet, a smart little robot that's all about multitasking. Whether it's delivering items, helping out in stores and restaurants, or entertaining crowds at trade shows, Pudu does it all. Weighing just 21 pounds, it can carry up to 88.2 pounds and run for 24 hours on a single charge. One of its coolest features is its high-speed scanning system. It can detect objects as small as 0.07 feet and scans 5,400 times per minute, spotting obstacles up to 30 feet away to move smoothly and safely. Pudu's not just practical, it's fun too. With its cute design, it responds to voice commands and even squeals when you pet it. The creators are currently raising $200,000 on Kickstarter to bring Pudu to life. If you're a fan, show your support in the comments. Meet the Suzuki Mocha, a four-legged electric vehicle built more for balance and movement than pure speed. It's about 3 feet wide, can hit speeds up to 20 miles per hour, and has a range of around 50 miles on a single charge. What really sets the Mocha apart is its ability to climb stairs without tipping over. Instead of just wheels, it uses 4 robotic legs, each with 3 degrees of movement, to stay steady even on rough or uneven ground. Its chassis can rotate around a seat, keeping the rider level when going up or down stairs, making it much easier to handle. The Mocha isn't just for personal transport either. It can be adapted to carry a wheelchair, stretcher, or even cargo. Thanks to its stair climbing skills, it could be a game changer for people with mobility challenges or in emergency situations. No word yet on when it'll be available, though. Zealand. Well, we found this prosthetic hand called TASA. There were 2 types of it, the TASA Hand Gen 2 and TASA CX, both advanced prosthetic hands manufactured to restore natural hand movement with smart features and precise control. The Hand Gen 2 is fully waterproof, International Protection 67 rated, meaning it can be fully submerged in water without damage. It has independent multi-articulating fingers, a shock-absorbing knuckle block, and a resettable knuckle release that prevents damage from excessive force. The motorized thumb rotation adjusts automatically for different grips. The wrist can lock in 3 positions or move freely in flexion mode. Grip cycle buttons make switching between grips quick and easy, and Bluetooth control allows users to fine-tune settings. The TASA CX builds on this with a faster motor system, improved grip precision, and capacitive touch sensors on all fingertips, making it compatible with touchscreens. Its knuckle structure has been redesigned for a more natural look, and the button layout has been adjusted for smoother grip switching. The wrist now has button-controlled flexion, offering better movement control. The CX also features interchangeable cover plates, letting users personalize the appearance of their prosthetic hand. Both models include motorized thumb rotation. The Unitree G1 robot is no stranger to impressive feats, including becoming the first robot to perform a side flip from a stationary position. Until now, robots couldn't pull off such a move, but the G1 not only nailed it, but did so without any damage during both its training and filming. Walking and running are second nature for the G1, and it's surprisingly dexterous too. It can crack nuts, hold a frying pan, and even open soda bottles. Xiaomi CyberDog 2. Meet the Xiaomi CyberDog 2, a robotic companion that goes beyond being a toy. Priced at $3,338, this AI-powered robot responds to commands like sit and shake, just like a real dog. It can even perform tricks like riding a skateboard and doing backflips. CyberDog 2 connects with smart home systems, allowing it to dim lights, close curtains, and handle other tasks with a simple voice command. Its face isn't just a screen, it shows important details like battery level and mood. Thanks to advanced AI, this robo-dog reacts to its environment in ways that make it feel almost like a real pet. The Zoe Motion exoskeleton is giving people with spinal cord injuries a way to walk again, without using their hands. It balances on its own, making it only the second exoskeleton in the world to do that, and the first to move like real human legs. You can even dance in it. Built to help people stand and walk naturally, Zoe Motion fits users from 1.5 to 2 meters tall and up to 100 kilograms. It's powered by swappable batteries, so it can keep going without long breaks. The first unit was purchased by a rehab center in Calgary, Canada. The creators are also teaming up with medical and robotics researchers to keep improving it. Zoe Motion isn't just helping people move again, it's changing what's possible for recovery and independence. Esper Bionics is turning science fiction into reality with their advanced bionic arm, and they're just getting started. The company plans to build even more, including a robotic leg and future implants designed to boost human physical ability. Their bionic arm is made up of 288 parts, uses 16 sensors placed across the body, and is powered by AI and machine learning. 6 motors control its smooth, natural movement. The aluminum fingers are durable, easy to swap, and even work with touchscreens. Users can wear regular or cosmetic gloves and customize palm covers to fit their style. The arm connects to an app via Bluetooth, letting users adjust grip strength and train muscles over time. At $8,000, it's controlled using Esper Control, a non-invasive system that reads muscle signals to make the hand move naturally. Founded in 2019, Esper focuses on tech that helps people live better, not just replace what's missing. Meet the Flashbot Arm, a compact and clever robot that looks a bit like a mini centaur. But instead of galloping, it's built to lend a hand, literally, in places like hospitals, hotels, retail shops, and anywhere extra help is welcome. What makes Flashbot special? It can understand voice commands, gestures, and even facial expressions, allowing it to interact with people in a natural way. Its robotic arms have 11 degrees of freedom, which means it can move with precision and flexibility. Tasks like calling an elevator, delivering meals, carrying small packages, or serving guests at a table are all within its skill set. It's smart enough to know what you need and nimble enough to make it happen. Weighing just 15 kilograms, Flashbot is light and compact, so you don't have to move furniture or redesign your space to use it. One full charge powers it for up to 8 hours, giving it a full shift's worth of activity before needing a break. Although it's not available for purchase just yet, the Flashbot Arm is a promising look into the future of personal service robots. Whether it's helping busy staff or stepping in during a rush, it's designed to make life easier, more efficient, and even a little more futuristic. Meet the new electric Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics, a game-changing humanoid designed for real-world tasks. This upgraded version is fully electric, making it more efficient, agile, and ready to tackle everyday jobs. Atlas comes with advanced tech, including depth sensors that let it see its surroundings and motion control that helps it move smoothly in any environment. Its custom battery and compact hydraulic system power its incredible movements. Made from strong yet lightweight materials like titanium and 3D printed aluminum, Atlas is tougher and more adaptable than ever. It's not just a robot, it's a powerhouse designed to extend what humans can achieve. Atlas is now stepping into the real world with Hyundai, where it's helping shape the future of car manufacturing. Meet the Bex robot, a robotic goat built by engineers in Japan, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Developed by Kawasaki, Bex made its debut at the 2022 RoboDex International Exhibition, where it impressed the crowd with its clever design and practical use. So, what exactly is Bex? Think of it as a robot built to help farmers, especially in rough terrain. It can carry up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for transporting supplies or equipment across fields. And here's the cool part. Bex can move in two different ways. On smooth, flat surfaces, it rolls along on wheels. But when the ground gets rough, it switches to walking on legs, just like a real goat. Whether it's on wheels or legs, Bex can be controlled manually using a remote, giving farmers full control when needed. But it can also move around on its own thanks to built-in autonomous features. Kawasaki didn't just build Bex to be a gimmick, they designed it with real-world farming challenges in mind. It could be a helpful assistant for workers in agriculture, even in other industries where hauling gear over uneven ground is tough. And besides its practical side, let's be honest, it looks pretty awesome, too. A robot goat roaming the countryside? That's the kind of futuristic farming we didn't know we needed. So while it might look like something out of a sci-fi movie, the Bex robot is a real, working machine. One that might be chasing down new opportunities in fields far beyond Japan. Whether it's carrying gear or showing off at tech fairs, Bex is definitely a step toward the future of farming. Meet the Lynx M20, a tough, versatile robot from Deep Robotics designed to handle the harshest environments. Unlike most robots, the Lynx M20 combines wheels and legs, giving it both speed and agility to navigate rocky, muddy, or debris-filled areas. Whether it's climbing rubble or tackling rough terrain, this robot is up for the challenge. Equipped with advanced sensors and autonomous navigation, the Lynx M20 can operate independently, making it ideal for missions that require precise navigation. It's perfect for inspecting power lines, responding to emergencies, or delivering supplies in hard-to-reach locations. When humans can't safely reach an area, the Lynx M20 steps in, quick, adaptable, and ready to take on any task. In 2017, Mantis made its mark in the Guinness World Records as the largest rideable hexapod robot on Earth. Weighing 1.9 tons and standing nearly 3 meters tall, this massive robot moves slowly but with purpose. Its 18 hydraulic actuators are controlled by a Linux-based computer, and it's powered by a 2.2L Perkins turbo diesel engine. What's really cool is that Mantis can also be operated remotely via Wi-Fi. One of the engineers who worked on Mantis had experience designing robots for nearly every Harry Potter movie, which may explain why it's so impressive. With its powerful build and smooth operation, Mantis certainly stands out as a marvel of robotics. Looking for a fun and interactive robot that won't break the bank? Check out Miposaur, a playful robotic dinosaur created by Chinese company Huawei. This smart little dino comes packed with sensors that help it detect movement and respond to your gestures. Wave your hand, and it might spin, tilt, or move forward and back. But Miposaur isn't just about tricks, it has personality, too. Treat it with respect, or it'll let you know how it feels. Pull its tail or give it a push, and it will growl and playfully chase after you in protest. It's designed to be engaging, energetic, and full of surprises. At only $150, Miposaur offers loads of entertainment and interaction for a great price, making it a perfect robotic buddy for both kids and adults. Meet Mojobot, a fun and educational little robot designed to teach kids the basics of coding in a hands-on way. Like other coding robots, Mojobot responds to a series of commands, but instead of using lines or colors, it uses special chips. Each chip tells Mojobot to do something, like turn, move forward, or go backward. Kids place the chips on a console to create a sequence, then watch as Mojobot follows the instructions. It's a playful way to introduce children to important concepts like logic, math, algorithms, and even basic science and technology. What's even better, Mojobot comes with a game board, kind of like Monopoly, to make learning even more engaging and interactive. It turns screen-free coding into a real-world adventure. Starting at just $130, Mojobot is a fun and smart way to get young minds excited about STEM. There's been a major breakthrough in robotics. Scientists have created a new, incredibly realistic robot gaze system that brings humanoid robots to life. With this new technology, robots can move their eyes naturally, blink, and even make tiny head movements, just like real people. These little details make a huge difference, making our interactions with robots feel much more real and comfortable. By mimicking natural eye behavior and subtle gestures, these robots seem alive, which can completely change the way we connect with them. This advancement could have a big impact in areas like entertainment, education, and customer service. Meet Spydar, a revolutionary robot from the University of Tokyo that can crawl, walk, and fly, all in one sleek design. Unlike most robots, Spydar has powerful thrust motors built right into its legs, letting it move in a completely new way. It crawls by generating lift as it walks, which takes the pressure off its motors and gives it amazing balance and agility, even on rough ground. And when it's time to take off, Spydar uses those same legs to fly, thanks to smart thrust control that keeps everything stable and avoids propeller clashes. Spydar isn't just a walker or a flyer, it's both. It's a bold step forward in hybrid robotics. Humans and machines faced off behind the bar in an epic showdown. On one side was Daniela Estrada, a world-class bartender known for her amazing flair skills. On the other was Tony, a robot bartender aiming for the title of the fastest in the world. Tony can whip up around 250 cocktails an hour, with customers placing their orders through a mobile app. Pretty impressive, right? But while Tony is quick and available for anyone to buy, there's only one Daniela, and her talent and personality can't be replaced by a machine. Sure, Tony's efficient, but there's something special about a real bartender's personal touch. Next up is an incredible robot dog show from China. Developers brought together around 200 unitary quadruped robots for a massive synchronized performance, the biggest gathering of its kind so far. The Chinese military has taken notice too. A small, agile robotic dog that can carry a gun could be a game changer in urban combat. In fact, during joint training exercises with Cambodia, some models were even fitted with flamethrowers. But it's not all about combat. These robots could be lifesavers in rescue missions, help deliver packages, or even entertain crowds with their awesome dance moves. Meet the Aqua Penguin, a robotic penguin developed by engineers in Hanover. Weighing just over 21 pounds, this high-tech swimmer is designed to move through water on its own, either solo or as part of a group. It's powered by an electric motor and a 15-amp-hour battery,